Hello and welcome to today's Tech Tip. Today we're going to be reviewing the process of generating a PPAP report from Checkmate. Now before we actually go and generate the PPAP report, there's a little bit of work that you have to do up front. So if we look at the part that I have here, you can see I've got 3 circle measurements that I'm going to be using in my PPAP report. They're named, if you look in the browser on the right, Circle 1, Circle 2, and Circle 3. Now let's go and take a look at one of these. I'm just going to double click on Circle 1. Now you can see on the tabs here we've got X, Y, and Z enabled. We also have the diameter enabled and the true position. But for this PPAP report, we only need to report the position and the diameter. So if we go click on the position tab, you can see we have a tolerance name of 1. So each one of the tolerances of all of the measurements are going to have a tolerance name, and that tolerance name is what's used on the PPAP report. So for example, the true position of circle number 1 is going to be item number 1 on the PPAP report. And of course we have our tolerances set on it. Now the important thing here is because we want the true position here to be in the PPAP report, we need to mark it down below here as a PPAP item. Now if we go to the diameter, it's the same thing. You can see it's set up, the tolerance name is item 2, and we have PPAP turned on. And you'll notice that with the true position and the diameter that do have the PPAP turned on, there's little P's up in the tabs to let you know that the PPAP switches are turned on for those tolerances. Now you'll notice we have the X, Y, and Z also enabled, but the PPAP switches are not turned on for those, as we do not want those in the PPAP report. Now I've already loaded 6 sets of results from running this part 6 times, so I've got enough results in here to generate a PPAP report. So let's just go to the output ribbon here, and we'll go to our Set Excel Defaults switch here. And as you can see, we've got the Excel default screen. And what we want to do is select the report type up in the top left. Now we have 2 types of PPAP reports. We have the official AIAG PPAP report. We also have the an origin PPAP report, which is just slightly modified. You can see below it's got the Checkmate logo and whatnot. We're going to select the official AIAG PPAP report. Now the big thing here to remember is that on the label selection here, we want it to set it by tolerance and not by feature, and that way the tolerance names will be used in the PPAP list. Also over on the left here, we want to make sure that for under tolerances that we do have the PPAP checkmark selected, so that we will only create a report from the tolerances that have been set and marked as PPAP. So once we've done that, we can just go down and create the report, and we'll select all 5 samples that I have here in the subgroup size of 1. As you can see, we have the 6 items that were toleranced in the PPAP report. Position, diameter, position, diameter, position, diameter, and they're all named with their appropriate PPAP designated numbers. Thanks for watching and have a great day.